Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Alex Wassabi, so let's get started. To draw Alex, we're going to start by drawing his face. So I'm going to start right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to go right across, about right here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There's a nice round curve. And then from there, where I started in this area right here, I'm going to start to draw his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve towards the edge. So same thing on the other side. And then from there, I'm going to draw a curve down. So as if I'm starting to draw so cute eye, but it's capped off. So if you've noticed, I kind of draw this kind of eye for the boys. And so then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here, 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side, 2 small circles, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so then from there we're going to come in the center right here and give him a sweet smile and cap it off. So right here at the top above each eye, I'm going to go ahead and draw his brow. So his brow is pretty prominent. So I'm going to come about right here, draw a slight angle down. So same thing on this side. And then I'm going to go in and thicken it and shade it in. So same thing on here. And thicken it. Okay, so now with these eyes, if you think it's a little too flat, just come up here. It's really easy to fix. Maybe just give it a little bit more curve if you ever feel you need to. And let's see here. So I'm just going to come towards the edge right here and just add very slight lashes at the top. And that is pretty much it for his face. And then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more. Okay, so then where his eye is in this area right here, we're going to pop out his ear first. I'm going to come in here for some details. So same thing on this side. Right there. Curve. Okay, so then from there we're going to start to draw his hat. So let's see here, we're going to start by right here. Let's bring this up a little bit more. And we're going to basically connect it with a curve all the way across. About like that. And then we're going to come up and draw his cap. So I'm going to come into the center right here just to make it a little bit easier for me. And say about right there. And that's where I'm going to go up to. And same thing, come back down and connect back. Okay. And then let's give him some hair right here. So I'm going to come in this area. And draw some hair for him. And then for details on his cap, let's come about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve. Comes all the way up. And then right here, we're going to draw the strap. So I'm going to come right across and just give it a little strap right here, maybe a buckle. And pop this part out. Okay, now for his hair, let's just come in here and we're just gonna flick out some curves like that. And that is pretty much it for his top. Get a little bit too round right here. Okay, so now we can draw his body. So I'm gonna come right here and give him a neck. Nice and centered. And then his shoulders. I'm gonna come down. Okay, so then I'm gonna imagine his armpit so it's easier for me to figure out where to put his arms. I'm gonna come about right here. Just give myself 2 points, and from there I'm just gonna come down with a line. So this is where his shirt's gonna start. And from there, let's come back up and I'm going to draw a curve for his neckline. Just another curve for detail for his shirt. And let's come down here and draw his sleeve. And come back up here and connect. And so about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and connect for his t-shirt. So same thing on this side. Okay, so now let's bring his shirt all the way down. He has it pretty long, and then from there, say about that much, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. So I'm just gonna give it a slight wave. Okay, so then from there we can draw his arms. So he's pretty muscular, so right here, I'm going to add a little curve for some muscles. And then bring this in. So now we can continue his arm. So but right there is where his elbow is, and we're going to bring it in. So he has his hands behind. So same thing over here. So we're just going to go across. But right there, bring it in. And once again, tuck it back. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his jeans. So right where you ended his shirt, really close, just add a slight angle line in the center. And from there, we're going to draw 2 angle lines that come down. And right here where his hips are, just bring down. And we're going to start to draw his pants. So we're going to go all the way down. And here and there, you can add a little curve if you want, if you're comfortable doing that. If not, just go all the way straight down because his jeans do bunch up. So if you're comfortable doing that, just do that here and there. So about right there. And about right there, we're going to connect it. Okay. And then let's draw his shoes. So I'm going to come right here, give him some simple canvas shoes, and connect. So same thing on this side. And connect. So for details, come in bottom, top, and the 2 sides and laces. So same thing here, bottom, top, and laces. There. And then come in here for some little curves here and there for some of the bunching up of the jeans. Okay, and then there's some lines here and there that you can add because his shirt is pretty long. It kind of bunches up here too, so you can add a little line right here. And he has these torn parts in his jeans, so here and there I'm just gonna come in and add some zigzags to simulate the torn up jean part. So maybe here, let's see here, and center. And that is it pretty much for his outfit. But of course, let's decorate his t-shirt. So I'm going to write, okay, bye. That's what he says, right? That's pretty famous. And so that's what I'm going to add to this t-shirt here. But I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie only because there's so much detail. But if you don't want to do that, you can also put a little AW right here for his initial. But if you want to do MK bye, I'm going to start here with an M. So I decided to do this one because it's just so much more colorful. So I'm just going to come here and draw an M, a small K. Hopefully I can fit this all in. And a big A. So as you're drawing this, let's say you're running out of space and just one letter is just going to be a little bit thinner. Or if you have too much space, one letter is just going to be a lot fatter, so don't even worry about it. So I got Y right here. So that's the okay, and then the bye. So about right here in cursive. So this part's blue, but I can show you how to do it with the black Sharpie. So it's just a B and a Y and an E. And then an exclamation mark with a asterisk. So there, my Draw So Cute Alex Wassabi. Hope you guys like how it turned out. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.